super smart friends! Welcome back to another fun learning time with me, Young Smart. Last time, we learned some cool two-letter words. At, in, on, and up. Do you remember them? Great job! Today, we'll learn 4 new ones. Ready? Let's go! Our first word is it. Let's spell it together. I-T, it. Now you say it. I-T, it. Perfect. Let's use it in a sentence. It is a sunny day. The next word is. Spell it with me. I-S, is. Now you say it. I-S, is. Excellent! Let's use it in a sentence. The cat is sleeping. Now let's try me. Spell it together. M-E, me. Your turn. M-E, me. Wow, you're doing great! Let's use it in a sentence. This is me. I'm Young Smart. Last word for today. My. Spell it with me. M-Y, my. Now your turn. M-Y, my. Awesome! Let's use it in a sentence. This is my toy car. Great job, friends! You learned 4 new two-letter words today. It, is, me, and my. Let's say them one more time. It, is, me, my. You're all doing amazing! Keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun with me, Young Smart.